Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About negative number 3, that's about negative number 4, and we positive number 1 in here because 1 minus 4 equals to negative number 3. This one we got about s minus 1 everything to the power of 2. So we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So we put about s minus 1 equal to 2 secant of t. Because number 2 with power 2 you got about 4 and number 4 in here, we can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1, we change for tan t square and we simplify the square root. We do first the derivative for the both sides, and you got about ds equal to 2 secant of t tan t dt. First the derivative of secant of t, you got about this one. So we put this one, go in here. The s we change for this one. And this one we got about 4 secant of t square. Number 4, we can do about factorization. This one we got about tan t square. The square root of 4 tan t square, you got about 2 tan t. Number 2 and number 2, you got about 4. Tan t and tan t, you got about tan t square. Tan t square, we change for secant of t square minus 1. Secant of t multiply with this one and this one. Now I will concentrate about the integral of secant of t to the power of 3. We know that we can separate them into secant of t multiplied with secant of t square. So we can use about integration by parts. So we got about u equal to secant of t du, you got about secant of t tan t dt. dv, we got about secant of t square dt. So we got about v equal to tan t. So we got about u multiplied with v. And we have du multiplied with v. And you need to have the negative sign in here. And we got about secant of t tan t square dt. And this one in here, we change for secant of t square minus 1. Secant of t multiply with this one and this one. And we separate them in here. and this integration equals to this one. We want to find the integral of secant of t to the power of 3. So we put this one go to the right. And we go about number 2, the integral of this one. Later that we divide both sides with number 2. So that we return back to the first one in here. So we separate them in here. This integration, that's about this one. Number 4 multiply with 1 over 2 and 1 over 2. Negative number 2, negative number 4, that's about negative number 6. And this one, the integral of secant of t dt, you go about ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t. And we put about c, that's about constant. About t, we go back to the first one. We have s minus 1 equal to 2 secant of t. So we divide both sides with number 2. And we go about t equal to r secant of s minus 1 over 2. So we put this one to replace for t. Secant with r secant, you will go about s minus 1 over 2. Similar for this one. Number 2, we simplify. I need to edit about this one. This is about positive, not negative. So 2 minus 4, you go about negative number 2. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching.